Alright guys, so we're about halfway up the stairs, or a third I guess. And I just realized something. I looked at this again, and it says that the footbridge is restricted, and then I realized, wait, it's at the same height as me right now. I totally thought earlier it was at the top. And then, when you look at it, it starts right there. Like, what the heck? So, in order to access it, I would have to climb this cliff side here. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I don't have the right shoes for it. Plus, it doesn't really go anywhere. I mean, if you look, it just goes there and stops. It doesn't even go anywhere. So, I don't know why they put that there. Maybe there's some kind of a guided rock climbing tour or something that they're planning on. I don't know. And then you can like get someone to guide you up onto there. But I thought I would let you guys know. So yeah, it doesn't actually go anywhere, unfortunately. But hey, you win some, you lose some, right? Sometimes you don't always get what you want, but that's okay. Look at this beautiful view. Alright. Time, dun dun dun, to head all the way back up. Alright guys, I'll meet you back up there.